Welcome to Yuba Land Trust's youth activity for the Virtual Environmental Summit. Today we are going to be doing the Colors in Nature activity. And this activity was actually found on Playful Learning Academy's website. They have a lot of great free resources, science experiments, and other types of activities that you can do with your kids. So everything is going to be linked down in the description below. For this activity, you will need a color wheel provided by Playful Learning Academy. You can download the PDF in the description below. There are two options. There's this simpler version, and then here is one with more color options. And you will also need a bowl to collect your items in, and scissors to cut any trees or flowers that you might find. You will also need to go out around your house and find different objects in nature that match up with each of these colors, whether you want to do the more complicated version or the simpler version. So let's go exploring. So now that we have all of our found objects, we can start placing them on the color wheel. I've chosen the color wheel with more colors on it because I found so many fun things around my house. But again, you're more than welcome to fill out this version as well. So now this activity is really simple. We're just going to go through and put everything that we found onto the color wheel. So I'll start with this one. This was really pretty pale yellow flowers. So I'll put that one right here. And that's the end of the activity. It's as simple as that. Remember, take a picture of all of the items that you found on your color wheel, upload them to Facebook or Instagram, and tag Yuba Land Trust and Playful Learning Academy so we can see all of the wonderful objects that you found. Thank you for participating in Yuba Land Trust Virtual Youth Environmental Summit. We'll see you next time.